Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's study about mode. What is mode? It is the most repeated data in a set of observations. Here in today's class, we are discussing about the mode of grouped frequency distribution and how to find it by using a histogram. You need to remember few steps when you are finding mode of a grouped frequency distribution. Let me explain it with the help of a diagram. So first what you have to do is you need to draw a histogram. You all might be knowing how to draw a histogram. After drawing the histogram, you can see different rectangles here in this one. And here what you need to do is you need to find the rectangle which is highest frequency. Inside the highest rectangle which has a maximum frequency, you have to draw two lines AC and BD to the adjacent rectangles. This is what you have to do in the second step. And through this point, through the meeting point, you will find a meeting point M here. So through this meeting point, you have to draw a line which is perpendicular to the x-axis or the horizontal axis. So you have to draw a line, dotted line, or you have to draw a line, and that will be meeting here in the x-axis, and mark that point as N or any letter you can use to represent it. And the value that you get from the x-axis or the horizontal axis, the value of N what you are getting on the x-axis will be the value of the mode. Let's consider an example and find the mode by using this given frequency distribution table. Let's see this. First you have to draw the x and y axis as we have discussed in the previous class. This is x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now you have to mark the class intervals on the x-axis. So this will be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And here you can write the frequencies. This is the frequency. So you can take it as 5, 10, 15, 20 or 2, 4, 6, 8 as per the frequency given. If the smaller numbers are given, if the frequencies lesser numbers are given, you can go with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 5, 10, 15. Or if the frequencies are in a bigger range, you can take the bigger value. So we'll consider this as 5, 10, 15, 20. So our maximum frequency is 11. So we can write only up to 20. Now let's draw the histogram. How to draw the histogram? You have to consider the first class interval and the corresponding frequency. So it is from 20 to 30. 20 to 30 the frequency is 4. So you have to draw a rectangular bar which will be of frequency 4 and join in between 20 and 30. And the next is 30 to 40. 30 to 40 it comes somewhere here. So you have to draw one more rectangle here with the frequency 7. Then the next is 40 to 50 is 9. 40 to 50 is 9. Just below 10 you have to draw. 40 to 50 is 9. And the next one is 50 to 60 is 11. Then you have to go 11. This will be 11. 50 to 60. And 60 to 70 is 6. Just 60 to 70 is 6. And 70 to 80 is 2. So this is how you will get your histogram. So as I have told you, you need to remember few steps. The first thing, we have to complete our histogram with the given data. After completing the histogram, you have to find a rectangle with maximum frequency. This is the rectangle. The rectangle that is which we have drawn between 50 and 60 is the rectangle with maximum frequency. Now you need to draw two lines diagonally to the top corners of the adjacent rectangles. Let's draw and see. So mark this meeting point as M. This will be A, B, C, D. Draw a line from this point to the x-axis. It will be reaching to this particular point, and this is the meeting point. You can mark it as N or any other letter. And the value what we are obtaining from this graph, that is from the x-axis is the value of the mode. So here it's somewhere around 53. You can see that it is before 55, so it will be around 53 or 54. When you are drawing it in your graph paper, you will be getting the exact value of the mode. Here we will get the value of the mode as 53. This is how you have to find the mode from a histogram. So this is very important to find the mode from the graph. So let me explain the steps once again. Here the first thing, you have to draw a histogram as per the given data. Then you have to find the highest rectangle, that is the rectangle with the maximum frequency, and draw the diagonals to the corners of the adjacent triangles, and you will get a meeting point. From the meeting point you have to draw a perpendicular line to the x-axis, and the value what you are obtaining from there is the mode of the given distribution. This is what you have to do. Now this question is for you. You can solve it and find the value of the mode from the graph. That is all for today. Let's continue with another topic in the next class. Thank you.